This is the small streets, no? I think of the old town. Dito pa rin yung mga traditional houses nila. I think this bookstore or supplies. They have mga resto. Pwede pa lang parking dito kung magkain ka, oh. Ganda pala dito, oh. Wow. Wow, kaganda ng mga architecture. Dapat dito yung nagawa ng mga architects. Wow. So this is the place of Szentendre, no? 30 minutes from Budapest. We rented a car, an SUV. So we have to I think this used to be yung old village, no? Then na-develop na rin to along the river. Ang ganda ng mga very nice. I think this is the modern, no? Modern na mga structures, but yung inside that we had a walk, may mga binibenta na mga souvenirs. Those were the original na mga structures, no, of this town. Dito, maganda dito. Upo. These are destinations less less traveled. Kami lang atang Pinoy dito eh. But we saw Indians. Ang napansin ko dito sa Hungary, pinakamaraming mga foreigners yung mga Indians. Okay. They have their bike lanes also. Yeah. Ganda ng color ng sky. Kanina may drizzle, may rain. Ngayon, wow, tingnan mo naman, oh. Postcard. Yan ring. I think it's 12 o'clock.